5 ways to make your bathroom feel like a hotel bathroom. Dear friends, staying in a hotel can be a relaxing escape from your everyday life. Not only because the room is luxurious, but because the bathroom is often luxurious too. If only you could get that same luxurious feel in your bathroom at home. You can. Getting that hotel bathroom feel in your own bathroom is easier than you think. Choose a modern surround. Whether you have a tub, a shower, or both in your bathroom, it's important to think carefully about your surround if you want your bathroom to feel like an escape. A surround with a modern look and modern technology will give you that feel. Separate your tub and your shower. Saving space in the bathroom usually means combining the tub and shower, but if you have the space, your bathroom will look like it belongs in a hotel if you separate your tub and shower. That means placing your tub in one corner and your shower in another, but if you want to take your bathroom design over the top, create an oversized shower with your tub located inside. Opt for brass fixtures. Chrome and stainless steel are traditional options in the bathroom, but they don't make your bathroom feel special. If you want your bathroom to look like it belongs in a high-end hotel, you should update your fixtures to brass. Brass in the bathroom is a trend that isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Pair brass with other high-end details, like a marble countertop, and you'll take your bathroom to a whole new level. Add a splash of color. Hotel bathrooms are often more relaxing because they contain little surprises that you might not expect, like bright, vibrant colors. Choose colorful tile if you are planning a bathroom remodeling project, or simply update your space with a brightly colored rug and matching towels. Keep everything monochromatic. Not all hotels use punches of color. Some instead choose to focus on just one color that is repeated throughout the bathroom for a monochromatic look. That color is often white or gray, but you can take your bathroom to the next level by choosing a bold color, like green or terracotta. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.